One more grilled item now. Grilled, sweet, juicy tomatoes. Very simple stuff here. I'm gonna form a little bowl. Very appealing. Little sorbet scoop. Put my little lid on. Gonna use a little mozzarella cheese. Nice and creamy. Not too big of a chunk at this point because you want it to melt nice and evenly. Lid's off. Time to get my stuffing in here. What am I using for my stuffing? A little mozzarella cheese, a little garlic, olive oil. Must season, always, always. Season as you go. A little salt, kosher salt. Fresh ground black pepper. Pepper's gonna add a little heat to this. Lid's on. Finito. To the grill. Got to get them onto this grill, but I want to make sure that the middle part of my burner is off. Two sides are on medium, and we can get these tomatoes on. We don't want any direct heat, all indirect heat at this point. Let's get these on quickly. And let the goo begin.